guys, it's we're at the zoo right now. It's our last San Diego, so we came
Power
here.
Story's just called.
It's my dad.
Power Story.
We've been in a while over here. Alligator snapping turtle. Ooh, I don't want to be near that turtle. Yikes. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it. Whoa. Hello. Hello. Hello down there. Hello. Hi. Daddy, look. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Would you like something? This is a papaya plant. You can pull it. There you go. No, not my hand. It was going from my hand.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh, look at this one.
Hello.
Pretty, this one.
Hello. Aloha. Hi.
I think the other one I'm playing for it.
Well, look at this one, Dad.
Yes, I know that.
Oh. Ew. Butt. I don't want your butt. Hello. Hello.
Look what's up here. Up here. Oh, look at this. Look, the yellow one. Or the green one. It's beautiful.
Can I feed it something?
Oh, look at that.
Get something.
No, we're not allowed to feed. I can touch the claw. Hello.
Here. Oh, scary.
Beautiful.
Hello.
Look at those guys eating the feed.
Whoa, I never saw that
You
one.
see the small brown ones eating the feed?
You mean the blue one?
No, these are the small
Oh,
brown ones.
yeah.
They're stealing your food.
Hello.
To go close by, see if you can take a picture of them.
Okay, I just took a picture. Oh, look at that. I took a picture of this. Probably took like a ton of photos and I didn't notice.
Oh, you want to see the goats over there?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Hey guys, if the photo's shaky. Oh, it smells. Bah. 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 Hello. Bah. Oh, Jay, that one's over there.
Oh, the pig.
The pigs. I gotta take a picture. Piggies. Hello, goat. There's a big fat boy. There's two. Big fat pigs.
And the sheep. And the goats. Get a bit of belly.
BTW, that's amazing. Not the sheep. I like doing that now. What's in here? Oh, Dad! Look it. What is it?
Where? Oh, it's a goat.
Oh, it's so cute. I can't get it. It's in the shade.
Keep them separate, yeah. Come on the
Yeah,
wall.
it's in the shade.
Go on the wall. And look at this one. Yeah?
Hold me.
Hurry.
Oh, there's a big fat one. Off on the wall. I didn't do that. Oh, it's so big.
That little tiny dwarf one that's when they're gonna get bigger.
Which Kylie? Oh, yeah. Dad. Oh, look, a cow's back there.
There's no more down there. We've been up over there already. That's where the snapping
Oh,
is.
yeah.
We gotta go this way.
They just adore me. See, I told you they adore me. Right, guys?
Look at this. Way up over there. No, that's not it. Where?
Daddy, look at the white one. Let's go.
Okay, go.
Come on, come on. Hello. 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 Oh, I can't fly. It's not flying.
How you doing? How you doing? Hi. Hi. You want to get a picture? Oh, he's close by. Hi. I heard you talk.
Oh my gosh. Hello. Hello.
There's some corn. There's some corn.
Hello.
Hey, eating the corn, cracking it.
Should I give him the wood?
No.
Please. I'm gonna do what you did. Chew a piece of wood.
Chews it up. You chewed at everything.
Woo! I can't. I'm too scared.
That's how strong his beak is. How sharp it is. So what he does, he gets this corn, he puts it down and he gets it. Where are you going? You gonna show us how you eat it? Thank you. Wow, look at that. Ooh.
Whoa.
He gets the inside of it. No, don't. No. He gets the inside of the corn. Not the outside.
Look at your
Get
claw.
some more.
He's showing off how he can eat. Yeah, Dad.
Yeah.
Hello.
Picks up with his tongue and everything.
Look how he eats it.
Amazing, yeah? God's design. Is that still playing?
Yeah. Hello. Ay!
What's the reach?
Hello. Hello. Rah. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. That was the best part when he reached his hand out.
Yeah.
I should have took a
Claw.
pic of that.
The claw.
Aloha. Hello.
I touch your claw. I touch your claw. I touch your claw. You can too.
No, I'm scared.
No, don't be scared. You can't like that.
I'm
Only when
scared.
he moves. I touch your claw. You get one more corn?
Okay, guys. I'll see you later. Bye. He's showing us how he eats a peanut now.
Oh, look how he digs
Oh,
in.
look at that. Oh, you little show off.
He even takes his
You're
skin
a little
off.
show off.
He even takes his
You're
skin
a
off.
little
Look at
show
that.
off. Oh my gosh. I'm touching his claw.
Look at
I
that.
touched it. I touched his claw.
He's so good at what he does.
Oh, look at that. Cracks it open, gets the inside. Oh. Okay. I want to.
What is that all about?
Whoa.
What is that
Look
all
at that,
about?
guys.